Hey folks, today I'm doing a quick live trading session with 10 trades, trend folding only. I'm getting ready for a trip and yeah, the goal is simple. Trade smart, stay in flow and build the travel fund. I will use a few clean indicators and corridor channel. So let's see the action. Let's jump in. Alright guys, let's jump to pocket auction. Today we will make money for traveling and that's what we will use. First, we will choose smoothing averages. First moving average will be EMA 20. Yes, we pick EMA. The period will be 20. And also I will change the style. Let's say Turpov. And second one, it will be also EMA. A moving average EMA with period 50. This is classical combo for catching the trend. I use the crossovers and especially pullbacks to the EMA for anti-points. I will pick white style. Another indicator I will use today is RSI. You already know from previous video, I use it quite often. So yeah, the over to see the over sold or over bought zones. So yeah, let's do this. But you know my personal setting for this indicator is a change period to 8. Okay. Let's change the period. And also, yes, my personal settings, I removed the middle line and changed the colors of up and down lines to red and green. Okay, and also I will draw a basic price channel using parallel channel. And it's enough. This is the structure, what will be comfortable for me to make 10 trades today.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, it was quite a long road. Let me say like this, almost lost my airplane, but yeah, the main thing, I prepare everything for trading at home and now I'm already in Italy and hotel and I want to make a short session to make some extra money. So let's have fun together. Okay, I've prepared everything and now we can pick the right pair as usually. Let's start by this. All our indicators work well and I will open first trade for 500. Here's the good trend. No, here the stipulation looks good actually. You see, the cross and also we see the RSI. It's just very close to older sold zone. So we will try to catch the new trend, uptrend, and we will make the due a buy. It's also very important that to moving average lines across it, so it's a good signal to for new trend. So I will open a buy trade right now. I will feel just the bearish trend right now, but now it will change to bullish trend. Let's do it. So relieve me, just open this trade. Sorry if I'm not very active today, not very energetic. It was about 3 hours of the trip and I just came to the hotel. To be honest, I tried to trade in airport, but Wi-Fi was cheap. I tried to trade in the train, but it was too noisy and I want to make a good session. It's not a good start. But I will open for 1,200, same direction, just double up it by the multiplicator. And I still do believe that this is a new trend coming, the bullish horn. Still think that we can catch the reversal of the trend. And now it looks more positive. I will draw a corridor. Okay, it's a profit. And we cover our losses. That's good. After first loss is good news. And let's go next. I will go back to 800 for now. I'll go back for 800 and open a new trade. You see, I still believe, as you can see the price corridor, that it's still a lot of potential to go up. And it's good. It's a good opportunity for us. Also, RSI show us very good signals. No, not go down. Don't go. Yeah, another profit. Good one. I will pick another pair. Another pin for now. And I can see that moving average lines show me the bearish one. The trend is strong. It's too strong and I want to choose something else. Here is the good one, is the good signal to go sell, to go down 1,000. Looks interesting for me. Today I'm just trading based on 2 indicators and price channel. Let me draw their channel to understand this pair better. Yeah, it's a loss, guys. It's loss. Let's open one more trade on this trend with the downward 2,500. Based on multiplicator will be good AGN, and we're also trusting RSI and the Orbot levels here. So this deal for me looks pretty much clear. Let's do this. I do believe that trend reversal is coming. I can feel it. Guys, it's amazing feeling when you in the sky. After this, you in another town, another country. I don't think I'm focused, but I will use martingale multiplicator. I will open a deal. I still see that this is a good position to make a sell. So I will open a $6,000 deal for sell for downward trend because it's supposed to be downward here. This is our bot zone, can't hold much longer. The trend must flip. All the theoretical knowledge what I have show me, hey, Dave, open a big trade for 6,000. Yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we cover all our losses now. And now we're even in good plus, but I'm still hungry. And for tomorrow, I want to open a couple of another trades, but not too much. To be honest, I want to share with you this experience, but let me sleep well, eat well, enjoy Italy, and I will make another good session. I can promise I will try to trade in train. I will try to trade I don't know, like everywhere, just to make interesting content. So now the good idea is make another 1,000 trade downward, and it looks clear for me still because we was predict this trend and now it's coming. Now we can make money on this. We lost enough. Let's do some profit. Yes. Okay, guys, let me open the last one for today. Let me pick something good here. Okay, let me draw the corridor to here, because I see the two EMA crossed. It's already interesting because train's supposed to change the direction. For me, also RSI shows that this is pretty good to open. Hey, let's do 1000 extra, and after this I'll go sleep. For me, it's pretty clear that this is the reversal of the trend. And just check these signals. Look, the RSI just crossed the oversold line. The two moving average cross each other, which also lets signal that trend will reverse. As you can see, the candle also show us that we was right. I will finish this session with this good deal. So guys, let me make a conclusion. Of course, trading from your comfort zone is good because you have a strong Wi-Fi, you have your favorite monitor, table, your favorite chair. You can stay more focused. But let's be honest, it's kind of romantic to trade from different cities, different countries, in airport, in the beach, in restaurants, you know. It's just a reminder why we do this. This is our key to the freedom. That's a good feeling. So good night or good day, wherever time you watch this video. But yeah, I promise to make more interesting content and I will trade everywhere. For now, let's see in the next video. Join my Telegram and see you soon. Good night. I'm going to chill.